Hello, my name is Prem Chaudhary. Here I have to first log in into the admin page. Firstly, if I have to log in into the admin page without input any email addresses and password, it can't be login into the email address, and it also the required field that it should must be input the email addresses and password. Look, if I have to inside if I have to sign in without inputting any email address and password, then it says that this is a required field, so I have to firstly input the email addresses. Here is you see that there are many email addresses, but the main email addresses is last one, and I have to input password also. My password is just like I have to log in. Then if the email address password is correct, and it should reload it into the main admin pages. Now you see that this is the admin pages, where you have to see that there is the admin name is Prem, and in the right side that you see that the logout link in the same. You have see that on the left panel there is the home. We got view all categories, view all subcategories, view all products, getting products, all other. Similarly, in the right panel we have seen that this is used for creating the sub admin. If main admin want to create the sub admin, now I have to firstly go into the view in all categories. If I have to click on the viewing all categories, then the viewing all categories page should be loaded. And now you have to see that in the right panel there is the something that mm, categories field, where you see that category name, edit type, delete type, and also at the below you have see that there is some field where you have to input the category name. Now if I want to adding some category name, I have to input into the field. If firstly if any admin press the adding items without filling the input field, then the adding items cannot be added the category, because the field is the required field. Look, you see that this is the required field. Firstly I have to input the category name. I have to input the category name is furniture something, if you are furniture. Now if I have to press the adding items, now you see that pop-up sound display showing that the category has been inserted. If I have put okay, then you see that there is something, one category is added, that name is furniture. Now I have to move. If I click the edit link, then I can easily edit the category name is I need. I have to change the furniture name into the something extra mobiles. I have to press the update category. Now it display the pop-up sound that category has been updated. Now you see that at the beginning there is that category name is furniture. Now if the admin edited the furniture into the mobiles, now I have to move into the view all subcategory. In the early, now I can choose the category name, because I have already input category name. I have choose the category name is mobile. Now I want to input the subcategory name. I think subcategory name for mobile is Samsung or something else. I have to put iPhone. Now I have to press the adding sub items. Similarly, it also displays the pop-up sound showing that the subcategory has been inserted. Now you see that the subcategory name, that iPhone is inserted into the subcategory field. Now I have to press the edit. Now I want to change the something iPhone's subcategory name into the Samsung. Now you see that if I press the updating subcategory, then the Samsung product name should be changed. Look that in the beginning there is the iPhone for the product name, now it changes it to the Samsung. Similarly, viewing all categories, all products, sorry, I have said wrong, but look, there is now 55 items only, and at last there is the something product name is stone. Now I have to edit the product name extra. Let's start. Look, I have to firstly inserted the product name. Look, something I have to put the product name is Samsung, and the category name is what, something mobiles, and some categories name is Samsung. Similarly, now in this field I should have to edit the product picture. Let's start. I think my browser is been going to hang, so it takes too much time. Look, I have to add something, any kind of picture. I want to add something, this picture. Look, picture has been added. You have seen that the path of the folder related to the picture. Now I have to add the what, something product feature, something I have to edit black or something extra red. You can put any type, is your choice for feature. I have to add red and black, and also the price, I think I have to add something $12, and the adding what, date for the product, and I have to choose the key product also for searching the product name. Now I have to input product key name Dell laptop Dell. Let's start. I have to press the adding items, and the pop-up sound will display and shows that the product has been inserted. Now I have to go the viewing all products. Let's see. At the beginning there is no item for 66. Now you see that there is one adding item at the 56, that the name is Samsung. We have seen also the photos, that I think this is the category, features, price, date, and this is for last one, that is the keyword. Now if I want to edit the product, look, you have seen that I want to change the product name. I have to change the product name something Samsung into the LG phone, and mobile, I think category name is same and subcategory name is also same. I want to input the next images. I want to change. Now I think I have to also change the features also. I think favorite, and the prices also should be changes, something $24, and the adding date it also should be changes, Dell laptop, and I think I should say for update products, update keyword. If I presses the update products, pop-up sound will display showing that the product has been updated. Let's see product has been updated or not. Look, you see product has been updated, and the product name is LG. You've also seen that the images, features, price, date, keyword. If I want to delete the product, for that I have to click on the delete button. Look, you have seen that the pop-up sound displays That's how the product has been deleted. I think it's going to be refreshed. Look, you have seen that. Now look, there is no product. It has been deleted from the product table. Similarly, if I want to delete the category which I have been added earlier, now I want to delete the category name that I've been already added, that Samsung. Now pop-up summary display shows that a subcategory has been deleted. Now you see that there is no Samsung for subcategory name. Similarly, I want to delete the category name. Similarly, I want to delete the category name for mobiles. Now you look that there is no mobile category name. Now I have to move into the home pages. If I click the home pages, you have seen that there is on the right panel there is something creating the sub admin pages. Look, you have seen that I want to create the sub admin page. Firstly, I have to input the person name whom I want to create the sub admin. Now I have to add something Kishore. I think my Kishore, and I think passport should be simply no email addresses. I have been already added that Kishore123@gmail.com, and passport is similarly 123 Kishore, then date 06 of August 2017, and I want to sign up for creating the sub admin. I have pressed the sign up button. Now we have seen that new user created, the new sub admin is created. Now I want to move into the all orders. Firstly, the users ordered for product only, but one product is already shifted, and now two products were remaining for shifted. You have seen that the product, there is product name, product images, price, also product status. For two products there is shifted, not shifted, and for one product there is shifted, and change status for the changing the status. And for the deleting, if admin want to delete the source product, then they can easily delete the. Firstly, I want to make the status not shift into the shift. Now I want to click on the change status link. Look, I think it's going to be too long. Something browser should be going to. It takes too long time. No, I think what happened. Look, status has been changed. Now you see that at the beginning there is a not shift. Now it changed into the shifted. Similarly, if admin want to delete the other product, admin can click on delete, and it should be deleted from the order has been deleted. Now you see that order has been deleted, showing the pop-up message, no sound. Now you see that order has been deleted. Similarly, I want to show you that which I have been early created for the sub admin in my local host, that the PHP my admin, where I has been early created for the sub admin. I think it's going to be something happened wrong. My browser is going to slowly. I think it takes too much time. I think my browser is going to hang. No. browsers too much hang. Now I have to, if admin click on the logout, then session will be destroyed and it should return back to the login pages. Let's start. If I press the login logout, the session will be destroyed. Now you see that session will be destroyed and it should back into the main login pages where admin should have to log in. Now I have to enter, which I have been already created for some admin, that name is Kishore. Look, email address is 123 and password is I have been edited at 123 for something Kishore. Look, if I have been signing in. Now look, sub admin, we have seen that the name is Kishore, and similarly all the function before there is similarly same as. Look, same for all, same. Now I have to move into the user page. Let's move from out this. Now I have been shifting towards the user. In this user page, we have seen that there is something what main, there is a rainforest online shopping. This is the title of my website, and you have seen at the top or at the right side there is a search product field where you can search the product, and also the cart button. Then also there is at the top of the website you see that there is a login page, but it can't work. This is the one of the most limitation which I have been unsuccessful to create the login page for the user. Similarly, you have seen at the left side of the page, you have seen there is something 5 categories name, that is shoes, clothes, electronics, books, toys, marble. Similarly, below you have seen that there is the categories name is electronics, and the product name will display, and also the product name is something Apple phone, Samsung, etc. Below also you have seen that the clothes also, and at the right side of the pages you have seen there is something subscribe, but it can't work. But if you enter the email addresses, but it displays a pop-up sound showing that the subscription has been completed, but it can't work properly. That is my also limitation. And at the last, in the footer section, we have seen there is something social media, Twitter, Facebook, Gmail, and Instagram. And also for there is, you see that there is view button, add to cart button. Now firstly I have to move into the category. If any user click into the categories, then the subcategories name should be displayed into the left side, right side. I think, look, we have seen that the subcategory name is men, women, and kids for the category shoes. We have also seen that the images for the category there is too much. We have seen that there is for the, this is the men shoes, this is shoes for the men. Next there is the shoes for women, and last at one there is the for the shoes for the this kids. Now I have to move on. If I click the clothes, similarly you have seen there is a for a subcategory name women, men, kids. Then if there is also the clothes for the women at the top, then second one is for the men, and at the last I think there is for the kids, where you can see the kids clothes. Now similarly for the electronics, it's going to be too much. Now you have seen that for the category name electronics and subcategory there is too much. I think iPhone, Samsung, LG, TV and the laptop. Look, you have seen there is too much products for the electronics, mobile phones for different categories, something Apple, Samsung, LG, and also you have seen that there is Sony screen TV, LG TV, Samsung TV, and also similarly you have seen there is something laptop products where Lenovo, Apple, Microsoft. Similarly you have seen also there is the what for books, literature and fiction, books on fantasy, horror and science fiction. Look, you have seen also there is something book, but I think there is two product images can't be loaded properly. Also for the toys there is I think two subcategory only for one category only for subcategory. Then there is for the images also you have seen. Now if I want to add to category in at the early there is I think two categories only for ordered by the users. Now I have to order more category. Now if I want to put I have to press the add to category. Then you have seen pop-ups. Then you have looked at the pop-up message display. Then showing category is already added. Category is already. I think that category is already added. So it category can't be added once more. I have to add next one category. Now you have seen that at the beginning there is category order by the user. There is two only. Now there is three. Similarly, I have to add one more category. Now you have seen there is 4, one more. Now there is 5. If I want to know the feature details, price, for that I have to press the view button. Now you have seen that the for this product name is Samsung Galaxy J56, and you have seen there that the for feature Samsung Smart Android mobile phone Android. Then it support for the Marshmallow version 6. Also you have seen that the price is $67 and manufacturer date is something like that. And you have seen also there is similar product related to the Samsung. You have seen there is such product. There is the Samsung or iPhone, Samsung Galaxy. Now also you have seen there at the in the view, if user press the view button, you have seen there is something at last. There is the review and with the rating for the products. Then something already some users already review. You have seen there is the 3 review. Something Sandeep have been already review, Narayan and Kamal also. They something 3 users review the my product. Now I have to review one more. For example, I have to input name any kind of Narayan. Now also I have to put email addresses. Narayan 1 2 3 internet. Now I have to review something what this product is. This product is good. I like the most. I like it. Now I have to give the rating. If I have rate the product more than 5, then the rating can't be added beyond 5. Look, I have been added rating 8, but it can't work. Look, it shows that you must enter the value between 1 to 5. So I have to input the rating from between 1 to 5. So I have to input something 2. Now it's work. Look, you have seen that. Thanks for review. Now I want to see my review. Look, just now you have been reviewed my product. That name, Narayan, date, something, email address and message. This is product is good. I like that. You have seen that the rating also 2. Similarly, my limitation is that if I have to add to category, then the add category isn't working. That is my one big limitation. For that I have added add to category that works only when the page is in the home page only. First I have to move on home page. Now it's work. Add to category button is working properly. But if I move into the product details, then it can't work. Add category button. Look, add category button can't work. There is already 5, but it can't work properly. So that is my limitation. So I have to move back into the home pages. Now it's work. Look, category is already added. So I have to add next more. Now it's become 6. So if I goes into the respective categories, also it can't work. So that is my one big limitation which I have been faces, but I can't solve my problem. If I got one more time, I want to firstly solve my limitation. So that now we have to move on to next, that search for the search section. Now if I have searched any kind of product by inputting any keyword, like I have to input the something, any keyword, something n from something starting with n. Now if user press the search, now you look that something too much product. Look, we have seen there is too much product which related to the n. It sorts all product which have related name to n, or is, look, we have seen too much product. Similarly, if I have searched extra something s starting with s, or at middle, or at any guy at any, look, we have seen. Now if I have been click into the card, it, now the page should be loaded into the card. Look, there is too much product ordered by the user. Let's see, there is one quantity, and the price also shown. Now you see that there is something, there is shifted, which I have already shifted for something two categories. If user want to delete the respective products, then it should be deleted. Then you have see that the shifted product, then I have to, if user want to delete such product, then look, order has been deleted. Now look, there is at the beginning there is 6 category, now there is 5 category only. Now let's see, there is category has been deleted. And for that I have also mentioned that my limitation problem, that is what that category can't work for the respective, if I have been moved into the respective categories, or I have to inside into the view, then the category can't work. For properly working my card, I have should be into the main index pages. Subscription also can't work properly, but it says that the subscription is completed. Look, I have been input something email addresses. Look, if I press the subscribe, I think it can't work. Thanks for subscription with us. Now it says that the subscription is work, but it can't work properly. That the subscription hasn't been implemented properly. Now I have also mentioned that my limitation is one for the login. This can't be work. Now I have to move into the my one. Okay, I think it's be loading too much. I have to stop my page video. Thanks for